Do you dare to become a pioneer in the automatic motorbike washing model in your locality? A model that can change the traditional way of washing motorbike that we have been familiar with for a long time is the automatic motorbike washing machine, a trend that is being sought after and will certainly explode in the coming year. Today, Go&Go wants to share with you a business opportunity that is not only full of potential but also has the ability to bring stable and long-term income. And the question for you from the beginning is, do you dare to become a pioneer in your locality? Imagine a very familiar situation. A customer goes to wash his bike, has to wait for 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes even longer for his turn. When there are few customers, the motorbike is washed quite carefully. But when there are many customers, the staff often does it hastily and carelessly to catch up with the next customer. As a result, the customer both wastes time and is frustrated because the quality is not warranted. That is the biggest limitation of manual motorbike washing, when everything depends entirely on the workers and their mood and attitude. Now imagine a different experience. Customer drive to an automatic motorbike wash, and after only 5 minutes, their bike is clean and shiny from start to finish. They don't have to wait long. No worry about the staff doing a sloppy job. Its bike it washes evenly and equally clean. This is the difference that automatic bike washes bring, and that difference will be the key to have you dominate the market right from the start. What's more special is that the cost to wash a motorbike is only about 3 cents, including electricity, water, and chemicals, while the average service price on the market today is from $1 to $2 per pint. Plus, just serving about 55 per day, the profit is already over $100 per day, or more than $3,000 per month, not including other accompanying service. One of the biggest concerns of traditional bike wash owner is the workforce. When there are few customers, the staff sit around doing nothing. When there are many, they work in a hurry, not to mention having to worry about salaries, bonuses, and work attitudes. But with the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash, you only need one operator. The machine will ensure that its bike washes quickly, cleanly, and evenly, saving on labor costs and bringing absolute peace of mind to customers. This is the factor that makes this model an inevitable dream. So how to start? The first thing you need to do is experience the bike wash machine directly. Don't just listen to the advertisement, but go to the Go&Go factory to see with your own eye, touch with your own hand, see the actual operating capacity, washing quality, time, and cost. The next thing is extremely important. Choose the location. A beautiful location will determine the number of customers you have. Choose location near resident area, markets, supermarkets, or major roads with a lot of traffic. The premises need to be large enough for buyers to enter and exist comfortably and have to waiting space for customers. In addition, to maximize profits, don't just stop at bike washing. You can completely combine many additional services such as oil change, bike maintenance, opening a coffee or beverage counter for customers to relax while waiting, and even selling bike accessories and toys. This additional revenue will help your shop grow more sustainably. Of course, to have a bike wash off with many customers from the beginning, you need to have the right marketing strategy. Automatic motorbike wash machines are inherently strange and new. We will create initial curiosity, but to retain customers, you need a clear plan, open with incentives to attract customers to experience. Advertise on social network to target customers in the area. Offer attractive combo service packages such as bike wash and oil change at preferential price. The most important thing is to ensure a perfect first experience. Customers will only come back if they see their bike is clean, the staff is friendly, and the price is reasonable. And when they are satisfied, they will introduce more friends and relatives, bringing your shop a natural and sustainable customer base. Imagine you are the first person to bring the automatic motorbike wash model to your locality. At that time, not only will you have a superior competitive advantage, you will also build your personal brand as the pioneer, leading the trend and at least a few years ahead of your competitor. And the great thing is that Go&Go will not let you go alone. We not only provide machine, but also accompany you from start, from consulting on choosing a location, making a business plan, transportation, installation, operating instruction to support throughout the business process. Opportunity never wait for anyone. If you really want to start a business with a stable business model, less dependent on employees and clear profits, then start today. Don't let others become pioneers before you have time to act. Contact Go&Go for detailed advice and together implement a business model. Sustainable, modern, and trendy business. Go&Go is honored to accompany you on the journey to conquer the automotive motorbike watch market.